In this video, I'm going to be doing a honest and comprehensive review on the Facebook dating app in 2026. Now, I've been using this app for a little bit now, and I am based in New York City. I'm currently 21 years old, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the pros and cons of using it, and also a little bit about my personal experience. So first and foremost, let's start off with the good things, and then later on, we're going to go to the bad things. So what's great about Facebook dating is first and foremost is that it is completely free. There is no premium paywalls for likes or messages, and they even have a feature called Spotlight where they show your profile to more people, and that's honestly pretty good in my opinion. You don't need to pay for it, and what's really good is that it has a huge user base because it is built into Facebook. So obviously it's incredibly accessible. And a lot of people on Reddit, for example, say that they get more messages and conversations compared to other dating apps like Hinge or Bumble, so that there is a neat feature. And what I like about it is that they actually do have like a lot of cool features. So for example, we have like friendship. So if you want to like match with people as a friend, that is 100% up to you. We also do have things like date night, matchmaker, crush, etc. and interest. So you could really sort by a lot, and also second look as well to see people who you swipe left on. So there is a wide selection of unique features and stuff like that, which I do like. But those are mainly the good things. And now let's talk about the bad things. So there are a few things that a lot of people, including myself, have noticed. And that is that if you're someone who's on the younger side, like between ages 18 to like early 20s, sometimes it could be a little bit hard to find people in your age range and stuff like that. I did notice that Facebook dating primarily has people in their like mid 20s and above. So if you're someone who's a little bit older and you're looking to settle down, I actually think Facebook dating is a really good option. But if you're someone who's a little bit younger, you're just starting to get into the dating scene and stuff like that, then I do recommend maybe trying Facebook dating later on, because sometimes it might be hard to actually find people who are around your age. And another thing that a lot of people did notice, including myself, is that sometimes like there is just a huge location mismatch. So you can literally just swipe for a little bit and then it's going to start recommending you people who are like 3 or like 5 states away and stuff like that. And for me, I was a little bit surprised because I live in New York City and there's like a lot of people here. So I definitely did get surprised when they started recommending people outside of New York. So that is another con, and that's another issue that a lot of people have reported. Another thing that I personally don't like about Facebook dating is that the UI is sometimes kind of confusing, because like it's not the same, like even if you're using an Android or if you're using an iOS, it's completely different. And sometimes it just changes around and stuff like that. And I don't really like how, it just isn't really consistent. And of course, there are a lot of scammers and fake accounts. So be very careful, even though this is Facebook. And, in order to actually be on this, you need to have a Facebook account. There still is a decent amount of fake profiles. So you always need to be on the lookout for that. And if something seems a little bit shady or too good to be true, then chances are it is. And another thing is that they also have a friendship option on dating as well. So you're able to match with people as friends. And that's also a pretty good option. But sometimes it can get a little bit confusing where like one person's looking for friendship, the other one's looking for a relationship, etc. So it can get a little bit messy in terms of that. But nonetheless, it still is a pretty decent option. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.